and welcome to the Edu Leaders Show on the Edu Bulletin, where we bring you the latest insights and trends from the world of education. I'm Daisy, and I'm excited to guide you through this episode. We have an esteemed guest joining us, Dr. Neeraj Tyagi, Director Principal of the Pushp World School in Gannor, Sonipat, shared his positive experience with Time to Grow Media and discussed the state of skill-based education in Indian schools. He highlighted the need for better preparation and integration of life skills, digital skills, and financial literacy into the curriculum, emphasizing that many schools are still lacking in these areas. Now, let's move directly into our interview. Over to you, Rumani. Let's hear what Dr. Neeraj Tyagi had to say.
So we have with us a very esteemed guest. He is Dr. Neeraj Tyagi, Director Principal, the Pushp World School, Gannor, Sonipat. Welcome to the summit, sir, and how's your experience being here?
Thank you, ma'am. It's really a nice experience. Let me tell you about this Time to Grow Media. Being काफ़ी लंबा वक्त हो गया है मुझे TUK से जुड़े हुए, और इस वक्त में मैंने जब भी टाइम टू ग्रो मीडिया की तरफ देखा है, सोचा है, कुछ बेहतरीन से पल, कुछ बेहतरीन से मौके, कुछ बेहतरीन सी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, कुछ बेहतरीन से लोग और कुछ बेहतरीन सा टाइम जो एजुकेटर्स, सीनियर एजुकेटर्स यूजुअली नहीं उनको मिलता है. यू पीपल प्रोवाइड दैट, और ये अपने आप में इट्स जस्ट अ डिलाइट. ये बहुत अच्छा सा एक्सपीरियंस है, एक बहुत अच्छा सा सिनेरियो है कि एक बहुत बेहतरीन सा एक एडटेक कंपनी जो काम कर रहा है एजुकेशन इंडस्ट्री में, और हम लोगों के साथ कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर बच्चों के एजुकेशन को और ज़्यादा बेहतर बनाने का काम कर रहा है.
Thank you so much for your kind words. We are absolutely delighted. So today I would like to ask you about the skill education, and in your opinion, how prepared are the Indian schools and educators to implement the concept of skill-based education effectively?
स्किल बेस्ड एजुकेशन के बारे में अगर हम बात करते हैं, ऑल्दो NEP 2020 टॉक्स अबाउट अ लॉट, but in context of Indian schools, we are facing problems. We people are not prepared with the things. I would say, not with the courses, not with the content, not with the books. Rather, कुछ और अगर मैं चीज़ों की बात करूँ, once we talk about skills, it's not technological skills only. It's not digital skills only. It is all about life skills too. And once it comes to students, the school students, I believe life skills should be we should be imparting it from the initial journey, start of the journey of the student. And life skills, digital skills, financial literacy skills, competency skills, whatever way we want to give a height to the student's life, skills are much needed. Being बच्चा कितना आपने उसको knowledge दिया है, that hardly matters if he or she is not imparted with the skills, how to present it, how to pass it, how to explore it, how to get it, or how to get maximum out of it. So skills are just to live better, explore better, think better, create better. So skills are much needed, and let the government lead towards, or let the schools head towards how we can provide a good platform, good opportunities, good technology, or good exposure, good time for the skill developments.
So next I would like to know about any specific initiatives or kind of events that you organize or take place at your institute, school, which will help the students learning the 21st century skills.
A very good question, and a lot many schools nowadays they have initiated for this.
Right.
बहुत सारा, अगर मैं बात करूं, मैं अगर छोटी छोटी चीज़ों की बात करूं, जब स्किल बेस्ड एजुकेशन की बात आती है तो स्किल्स में मैं सबसे पहले लाइफ स्किल्स की ही बात करूंगा. अगर लाइफ स्किल्स की बात करूं तो इन माय ओन स्कूल आई हैव a whole day dedicated to this. The Saturday in my school is the co-curricular day, and in that very particular day I have a dedicated slot for Sanskar Shala, and that is dedicated to the life skills of the students. In each and every way, we people are teaching them how to deal with the stress, how to deal with the fear, how to deal with the struggles, how to face the difficulties, how to cope up with the difficulties, and with the values. So values सोसाइटी का एक ऐसा सा पार्ट जो हम पर्सनल से लेकर, इंटरपर्सनल से लेकर, इंट्रापर्सनल से लेकर और सोशल लेवल पे, यूनिवर्सल लेवल पे कहीं तक भी निकल जाएं, इफ़ वी डोंट हैव वैल्यूज़ देन देयर इज़ अ कैच. मुश्किल होती है एक बेहतर जीवन जीने में भी. तो जस्ट टू गिव इट अ गुड टेक के चलो, एक बेहतर ज़िंदगी के लिए वैल्यूज़ मीन्स लाइफ स्किल्स. आप कितना बेहतर किस सिचुएशन में एक्ट और रिएक्ट करते हैं, आप रिएक्ट करते हैं कि रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं, आप फेस करते हैं कि भाग जाते हैं, ज़िंदगी को बेहतर बनाने के लिए और ज़्यादा बेहतर बनाने के लिए और सबसे बेहतर बनाने के लिए. वी यूजुअली वर्क विद द स्टूडेंट्स.
That's great to know, sir, and we are absolutely delighted to have you here. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for joining us for this enlightening discussion. We hope you found it as insightful and inspiring as we did. Save 8534845670 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp for updates on the EduLeaders show, featuring inspiring interviews from the education sector.